Today's day 7, patient have followed the instruction from day 1 to day 7 and he have done the smart graft care. We can see all the hair in the design area in the right angle, right direction. There's no any microscap left. Here is all clean and neat. There's no swelling and he have healed very well and very rapidly. Donor area, technique smart FEE, harvesting done, heal very well, and today day 7, you can see he already healed very well and very rapidly. This is a partially shaven technique. This part is shaved, above is not shaven. 2,000 grafts is been harvested from this area.
Yeah, I'm very satisfied with the result. The planted grafts are in the direction that I wanted and also in the place that I desired. It's also according to the design that I wanted, and I feel no pain at all after the procedure. Looking at the mirror, I'm very satisfied with the result. Thank you, Glorious.